Hello, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to sync sync contacts from Zoho CRM to Mailchimp using Zapier. And the first step will be to create a Zapier account if you do not have one, and if you have one, then you should log into your Zapier account. After logging into the account, you will need to connect your Zoho CRM and your Mailchimp account to the Zapier. So you can find this here in App Connections. As you can see, mine are connected. If you do not have, you just come to add connection and then you search for the specific application. So for example, if we check Zoho CRM, you can see we can just choose Zoho CRM here. Now once you are done with merging the Mailchimp and Zoho CRM, then we can create a new Zap. Now in the creation of the new Zap, our trigger will be our Zoho CRM. So we choose an event, let's say a new lead. All right, then our action now will be from our Mailchimp. So we choose Mailchimp and then we choose an event. Let's go with add or update a subscriber. I continue. Now from here, we are taken to the trigger sections where we can choose what the triggers are. So for example, we can choose this to be our, and then as you can see, I already have a lead here from Zoho CRM. So we can test this trigger. So continue with selected record. All right, so let me choose this record. Let me give a new email. So as you can see, we are already ready to publish our synced contacts. Thank you.